Huh?
That was nice.
Did that hurt?
That was nice.
I love.
That was smooth. No kidding. Are you serious? Welcome to the office. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to the office. What's your name?
Brielle.
Brielle? How you doing, Brielle?
Good.
How old are you?
9.
You're 9. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Welcome to the office.
Nice to meet you.
Dad, welcome to the office.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So what brings you guys here from Porterville?
Brielle's been complaining a lot about her legs, like when she walks long distance.
Like one time around the mall and she's done?
She's done. She wants to get out of there.
Why?
She
Because
says
she's
her,
in pain or she's tired?
She says her legs hurt.
What part of your legs hurt? Like it hurts here, it hurts here, it hurts here. All this hurts? It hurts here, doesn't it?
And we've had different doctors, podiatrists look at her feet, take x-rays, and they did prescribe her some orthotics, but she doesn't like them.
What else?
She was delayed in walking, crawling. She started crawling 9 months.
Yeah, about 9 months.
It was hard for her to stand up. Took a little bit longer. She started walking almost at 2 years old.
Okay.
And when she started preschool, she couldn't climb the playground because they called it low muscle tone.
Okay.
So she couldn't climb up the playground.
Okay.
If she ran, she would always fall. And she walked with her feet out.
Both feet out?
More on the right side.
More on the right side. What else?
Learning disabilities. She struggles in all academics. And then recently she had genetic testing done. And they found that she does carry the gene USP7, which is a neurodevelopmental disorder, now called Howe-Fountain syndrome. It's a very rare gene. There's about 20-something people in the world right now that they know of.
That they know of. And have you talked to any of the parents or been in touch with anybody?
Yes, I've been in touch with the Facebook group,
Okay.
USP7.
USP7
USP7
is the group. And have you met other parents? You've talked to them?
on Facebook.
And what have they said?
They say that we're lucky that she has it very mild because a lot of their children have kidney, liver, heart problems. She has a trichotillomania where she pulls out the hair and now she has a big bald spot. And her neurologist recommended inositol, which is a supplement, and NAC, NAC. Yeah.
And why are you here?
We're here because of her legs.
Okay.
Yeah.
We wanted to get your opinion on her gait, her walking.
Okay. Are you okay being here right now?
Yeah.
You're okay now? Okay. But here's the thing. If you're uncomfortable with anything I'm doing, if you want me to stop it, I'm going to be examining you. Just tell me to stop, okay? And I'll do
Okay.
that. You want to tell me anything? You want to walk around the mall more without getting tired and in pain? Does anything bother you? Like when you go for a walk or you take a shower or
He's asking you, does
I'm
it hurt
asking you.
Does it hurt you when you're sitting?
does anything else hurt you when you're sitting, when you're lying down? How about when you're eating, going to the bathroom? Does anything bother you?
Not really.
Can you put your hands on top of mine? Can you raise your right foot? Bend your right knee up? Can you hold it up?
Yeah.
Look at me when you do it. Raise your left leg. You know your left from your right too. That's good. Is it harder to stand on with your right leg up or your left leg up? Is that harder for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's harder to stand on your left leg. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Starting at the base of the neck. T5, T6, left side, 13 points. Look, there it is. S3, S4. And if we have the coccyx and the sacrum, I would do the sacrum first anyway, okay? We got to make sure the sacrum, the foundation is good. S3, S4, T6 around. Now let's go a little bit up top. C1 or occiput. Up top. Left side, 15 points. And so the first thing let's do is let's do static palpation. So as I'm running my fingers, it already starts the swelling there. You can see it there. Sit up straight. Not bad. This is all swelling, by the way.
Swelling?
Yes, inflammation. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 5. Does that hurt when I push there?
Yes.
How about that one?
No.
Now I'm going to palpate the SI joints. Here's the right side. Does that hurt when I push there?
Yes.
Yeah, that's all the yummy stuff you eat. How about over here?
Yes.
How about over here?
Kind of.
Kind of. More at the top here.
Yes.
Okay, how about over here?
No.
How about over here?
Yes.
So both sides here.
Yes.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, this is 5. S5 or S4? Which one hurts more? The bottom one
Yes.
or the top one?
The bottom one.
How about this one?
Yeah.
This one hurt more or this one hurt more?
That one.
S5. Okay, so as I'm statically just feeling, it starts to get swollen, right? C2, C1. Is that tender on the left side when I push?
Yes.
How about the right side?
No.
That one?
Yes.
Okay. How about that one?
Yes.
Okay. But C1 and occiput are both locked on the left side. We wouldn't do both. And if I have a C1 and an occiput, we would do the lower one. So C1 is where we're going to go to today, okay? So it's a very choppy. We want to get that smooth for her. Her right ankle is more swollen than her left. Does that hurt when I push there?
Yes.
How about that one?
Yes.
Both of them? Okay. So you're going to tell me after I adjust your spine if they both hurt the same, okay? Cool? All right. Shall we get started, guys?
Yes.
Are you ready? Let's do it. All right. This is what we found. Let's do S5. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness. It's not supposed to go that easy. I think I just got superpowers. Nice and easy there. That was it. Huh?
That was nice.
Did that hurt?
That was nice.
Kind of.
That was smooth. Did that hurt you?
Kind of.
That just slid right in. Whoa. That was pretty cool. You stole my thunder, girl. Let's walk. Let's walk. Walk towards your sweatshirt and back. Is anything different when you're walking?
Yeah.
What's different?
That.
What's different? You mean I just put my hand on your back and something got better? Really? Come over here, have a seat. So that changed the mid-back. No kidding, dude. Are you serious? Huh. Are you kidding me, dude?
Clear.
Clear, clear. Hold on. No kidding.
All of it?
Mama, come over here. Seriously. Mama, do you remember what the upper was looking like?
Mm-hmm.
That was it. S5.
That's fine.
I'm not touching nothing else for today, sorry. Tell Mama what's up.
You still tight?
No.
No.
Tell Mama what's up. Tell her.
What's up?
Does it feel a little bit better?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see the ears. There you go. Let's see the ear. There you
Ooh.
I know.
go. Can I work on your ankles now? Okay, so before I do all that, check it out.
It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt?
Mm-mm. I need my hair.
The right one hurts, but the left one doesn't. A little bit?
Mm-mm.
That one still hurts though. Okay. Stand up for me. Doing it. You okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So what I'm doing, I'm just working out some of the swelling to make the adjustment easier, okay?
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
Is it going to help me?
No.
No.
Lift up. There you go.
Here's popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
Go walk. Check it out.
Yeah.
Little different?
Yeah.
What's different?
That can I walk good?
Good stuff.
Gonna help the swelling.
On your back, let's check the feet again. A little red from the work I did, but the swelling has gone down already. Sound is the board. Smile.
Okay. Oh my god.
That was it. Stand up. Back slowly towards me. Good?
Yes.
Good?
Kind of.
That's the one we did.
Yeah, that feels good now.
Feels good now?
Mm-hmm.
Here's what I need from you. I need you to do a little bit of walking,
Okay.
and I need you to have some fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
Okay? I need you to sit up straight too. And it should feel a little bit better to sit up straight.
Is.
Okay. Now, I'll probably be working on other parts of the spine, but that's where we're going to start. Hands on top of mine, lightly raise your right leg.
Yeah.
Little easier,
Yeah.
little easier.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
What's our agreement?
Make a picture of my foot.
Yes. You got it. Welcome to the office.